Hey you guys, I just want to come on here real quick to say I'm sorry. I know I am like probably by far the worst YouTuber ever. Life is just getting away with me, I guess. I know I've told people that I've recorded videos and I'm gonna put them up next week or 2 weeks, and that was like 3 months ago. I know, I'm bad. But I'm gonna get them out. I've recorded many videos. I just haven't sat down to edit them. So, you know, life is just getting away from me. Is that the right thing to say? You know what I mean. But anyways, so I'm gonna edit one of them today and are finishing up editing it today. So then I can put it out either today or tomorrow, or tomorrow morning, today, tonight, whatever. Because Aiden's not here with me, so I need to do this quick while I don't have any crazy noise in the background. Yeah, so I'm gonna get that. My hair, y'all can see the color update coming on that. Yeah, I did. I put highlights in my hair. This is just Bantu knots, and I just fluffed it out into a fro. My hair is shorter. I cut it as well. I am currently 2 years post big chop. That was on January 5th. And this back part was much longer before. It was probably like, let me see. It was like right here. I want to say it was like right there, and it's now like up here. I want to say it might have been like right here. Well, yeah, that's the same thing. So yeah, it's like right there. So now it's shorter. I don't know if y'all can see that, but yeah. So now my hair is shorter. Before I got it cut, it was like here. Now it's like here, so it's about like an inch all the way around was cut. But yeah, so I will keep you guys updated. I'm sorry, I apologize. I understand if, you don't want to deal with me no more, because I wouldn't want to deal with me anymore, but yeah, I don't even watch my original people that I typically watch on YouTube. Like, I have to catch up on videos, and it's probably going to take me forever. But anyway, that's it. So I guess just stay tuned to tonight or tomorrow morning, okay? I love you guys. Thank you so much for everyone that has been subscribing and commenting, sending me requests and everything. Follow me on Instagram. I think I put it on my profile what my Instagram is, dnicehaitianbeauty. Follow me on Twitter, BTSSB86, which is pretty much everything. All you're gonna find on there is my horoscope and anything that I've done on Instagram. So I mean, I really don't update that much. Anyways, that is it, and I will talk to you good people later. Peace.